Alright guys, this is Retrofit My Bimmer here. We're showing off our Retrofit My Bimmer kit. This car is an F32 2014. It had the Next navigation system in it. Very old iDrive 4. We just changed out the head unit with a Retrofit My Bimmer head unit. It's pre-coded and activated to the VIN. And now you get to see that we are actually running iDrive 6 on a 2014 F32. We're using the same screen that the car came with on the F32, as well as the same iDrive controller. Apple Carplay is just a game changer. There's so many added value to it with Apple Music, Apple Maps, Google Maps, Waze, the list goes on and on. YouTube Music. It's just a game changer for your vehicle. It really is. They include everything, the Wi-Fi antenna, we include the support. We're veteran owned and operated. We ship 2 days USPS priority tracking with INSURED. And this is pretty much what you get. You get the latest iDrive 6 infotainment system for your BMW, as well as Apple CarPlay full screen, Android screen mirroring, video in motion, and so much more. For any questions or to purchase, please visit us at retrofitmybimmer.com. Take care.